Traveling with a baby can be challenging, but with the right preparation, it can be a smooth experience. Planning ahead and packing essentials will help ensure a stress-free journey for both you and your little one. Start by making a checklist of all the necessary baby items. Essentials include diapers, wipes, extra clothes, bottles, formula or breast milk, baby food, a pacifier, and a favorite toy or blanket for comfort. Packing more than you think you'll need is always a good idea, as unexpected delays or accidents can happen. If you're flying, check airline regulations regarding baby items such as strollers, car seats, and formula allowance. A stroller makes traveling with a baby easier by providing a safe and comfortable place for them to rest. It reduces the need to carry your baby for long periods, preventing strain on your arms and back. Choosing the right travel gear is crucial. A lightweight, collapsible stroller is ideal for navigating airports or new destinations. If you're traveling by car, ensure your baby's car seat is properly installed and meets safety standards. When flying, consider booking a seat with extra legroom or using a bassinet if the airline provides one. The change in cabin pressure can cause ear discomfort, so offering a pacifier, bottle, or breastfeeding during takeoff and landing can help relieve the pressure. Bringing a few small toys or books can also keep your baby entertained during the flight. For road trips, take frequent breaks to allow your baby to stretch, play, and have diaper changes. Keep a small bag of essentials easily accessible rather than packing everything in the trunk. A diaper bag backpack offers hands-free convenience, making it easier to carry baby essentials while on the go. Babelroo Extra Large Diaper Bag Backpack is made of tear-resistant, water-resistant fabric with strong zippers and lining. The cushioned shoulder straps and padded back panel distribute weight evenly for comfortable wear. Playing soft music or using a sunshade to keep the car cool can make the ride more comfortable for your baby. Accommodations should be baby-friendly, with cribs or safe sleeping arrangements available. If staying in a hotel, calling ahead to request a crib or checking for baby-friendly amenities can help you prepare. If visiting family or friends, bringing a portable crib or playpen ensures a safe sleeping environment for your baby. Maintaining a familiar routine, as much as possible, can help your baby adjust to the new surroundings. Sticking to regular feeding, nap, and bedtime schedules can provide a sense of normalcy, making the transition easier. Traveling with a baby requires extra effort, but with careful planning, it can be a memorable and rewarding experience for the whole family.